Recording. Hey guys, this is my mini, and I'm with. And so we're just playing random mini games. We're playing Super Sleep today, and play 2 mini games in one episode. Double whammy. 2 birds, 1 stone. And
my parrot is missing.
I'm recording. I'm just going to tell people that. So don't. I'm telling people, do not cuss, because I'm really sorry about what happened in that art thing, and I'm gonna figure out a way to try to put something over it, because that wasn't right. They shouldn't have done that.
What?
Oh, we're starting.
Okay,
We have to break the wood.
What wood?
Oh no, we're just walking. Right?
Oh no, we're breaking wood that way.
Yeah. We're fine. Oh, it's not good to be on this wood. It's good to be on the dark wood. Hannah, PC, we're teamed. Go on the dark wood. Dark wood's safe.
Why?
Because it takes longer to break. Dark wood's safe. Dark logs are even safer. Oh wait, no they're not. Okay, scratch that. This isn't safe. Who's hurting you?
Okay. Oh no! I died.
But have to live. I have to live. For Sophie. Or not Sophie, for you're using her sister's account, so. For Fifi. And for all the mighty warriors out there. No. Break blocks to restore your hunger. No, I was in 2nd place. 3rd place. Well, that's pretty good. That was like 3 minutes, wasn't it?
What?
I don't know. Oh, what are we playing now? I don't care. But it's waiting for players, so I'm gonna catch up with you guys when this is done in 54 seconds-ish, so. Hey guys, we're back, aren't we?
Kind of.
Well, we have like 10 seconds left, so that's why I told you going. Hey, and please subscribe. I don't like asking, but I don't have any. I have like 4 subscribers. Oh, we have to go away. Why can't I move? This stupid hedge. Break the hedge.
No.
Break the hedge. Break the hedge. Oh dear. Okay.
I just died because
I died too. Do you want to get off and get on a different one? Guys.
This is laggy.
Yeah, this is really laggy. I'm gonna pause. Hey guys, we're back. It's just we have some.
There. Okay.
So do you want to play Sheep Quest, or do you want to play Smash?
I don't care.
Where's the Smash?
It's over here. Here, just TP to me or something.
You can't TP. And only I can do this. We're gonna go here.
You're just like, we're gonna go with it. Oh yeah, this is it. Have you ever played this?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm terrible.
I always either get 2nd or 3rd. I've gotten 1st a couple times.
Iron Golem's pretty cool. I really want to get the dog.
I know, right?
I'm saving my gems. Oh, I have to pick the 50s Iron Golem. No, archery. No. Darn explosion. I guess I'm Skelly.
I'm a skelly too.
Oh, that's good. We're teamed, right?
Sure. Right.
Where are you?
I am by the logs and I'm shifting. Because
I'm shifting. No, I just died.
Okay.
Seriously?
Right.
I have to wait 10 seconds before I can use that again.
Okay. Right. Ready? Let's see, name tag. Nothing.
That might not be me.
That is you. Okay, come here. Go down the stairs. Dude, I hate when people are like the creepers. It's so annoying.
Whoa. Dude.
Bro.
So,
Okay, I'm gonna come in for
I
my
have
first
2
kill.
lives left.
I'm gonna come in for my first kill.
I'm gonna stay by this pole and snipe. Oh, that's you.
I don't snipe.
I snipe.
Do you even snipe, bro?
I do snipe, it's just you're the only one near me. And I don't want to hurt you. One of their heads to come out. Let's hit it. Come on. Oh, he's coming near. Here, help.
I can't. I don't know where you are. Ah. Oh, not that's you. I'm sorry.
You just killed me. I have
Sorry.
1 life left. You owe me my life.
I'm sorry. I will win this for us. I just died. God dang it. Oh, hi. It's me.
No, I can't. I can't die 1 more time. It's just I can't. I'm dead forever.
Oh, I'm winning? What? Sweet.
Oh, I'm dead. Win this for me.
Oh. Killed, man. The iron golem won't be that hard to take out.
No.
Stupid
Goodbye.
creeper guy. No! I'm not trying to be loud. If I am. Probably am.
I'm dead. Kill him.
Good. I will kill them all.
Kill Scooter and kill the creeper.
I hate the creeper guy. I hate when people are creepers. It's so POP.
You mean OP?
OP, yeah.
Kill the creeper.
What the heck?
Oh, I forgot we were recording.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you. Okay, now don't forget about him. Forget about me. Don't forget.
Oh, come on. The golem kid has 2 more lives. I'm gonna let them battle out, and then... watch.